What's going on, guys? Sorry, I'll face this way because the sun's probably in your eyes. We're going to the track. It's what, 30 degrees out? Canada Day. Well, like that. It's not Canada Day, but it's a day in Canada, right? So we got Andrew's truck here. We got it on 10 pounds boost, tunes all right. We got the tires in the back. And just for shits, because I spun a bearing in my truck, so I'm kind of out of commission until I get things sorted. But I'm going to take the smart car. Take the old winter beater, see what it does. I got the CB antenna on it because this is the only flat metal piece I have on this whole car. Top's glass, the rest of it's all just plastic, plastic, plastic. There's nowhere to put it, right? So I got the smart car, I'm taking my dad, got the CB so we can talk with these guys. I'm hoping for better than 20 seconds. So let's get down the track and get her done. And just putting his tires on. We just showed up at the track here. It's cooling down. Maybe I'll go turn the boost up a little bit. What?
15 pounds away here.
Did you?
Yeah.
All right. I'll go turn it down then. Said he hit 15 pounds, so. I turned it down 3 clicks. What was your fuel? Oh, of course. You always gotta look at that. Something's out there ripping, but anyways, we got the smart. Hopefully break her into the 20 seconds or under would be the goal. Hopefully I don't get hassled at tech. It is stock though, so. All right, we'll get at her. I am absolutely loving this, guys. It's hilarious. Sitting in the tech lane right now and everybody's looking like, is this guy actually running a smart car? Yes, I'm actually running my smart car. My truck is broken. This is the only thing I have, so I'm gonna send it. Pretty funny, nice things. Nice Hellcat right there. You know, your typical racers. I mean, I think there's Beardy back there. A couple other guys around. So, nice Porsche 911. Ooh, Audi R8. Awesome. Really wish I had my truck here, but we'll get her fixed up and we'll get back out. But for now, let's see what the smart car can do. All right, guys, first up, nice burn out there. Now these trucks know how to get down. Looks like I'm racing that Golf R over there. We'll pull up and see what we got here. Pull around the water box for sure. Well, he's gone. I think I treed him. This is honestly the slowest quarter mile I have ever done. It's just, here we go. Are we gonna hit 100 at least? Hey, we're almost hitting 100. All right. So we just hit 100. I do not know what that means. I tried to kind of launch it, build some boost up. It kind of fell on its face, it seemed like. I think we might have got to 100 kilometers an hour, which would have been awesome. I think that's faster than 20 seconds. We'll see. Do a little spin around up here. I think I got him on the tree though. What we got?
Something.
Ah, shit. All right, thanks, buddy. Well, we ran a 22. Shit, look at that tree. Look at that reaction time. I treed the shit out of him. All right, 60 mile an hour. It was 22.3. Holy crap. That was the slowest pass I have ever done in my life. Well, I got the reaction time down. I'm not sure how well that time is. I got to get under 20 seconds. I do not know how we're going to shave 2 seconds off this, but I guess we'll just have to find out. We'll go see what Andrew's doing. 6.2 RST versus Andrew. Lovely. Let's see what he's got. Yeah, Andrew. Get it? 14.5 at 98. Nice. That's something, that's something. There's the numbers right there. There's Andrew. Yeah, buddy. Shit, yeah.
14.5.
Almost 100 mile an hour.
260 foot.
That was an RST 6.2 liter, eh? Yeah.
Yeah, he read that, but you got a 2.0.
What was your reaction time?
You got a 2.0. My reaction was a 0.24.
Oh.
You got a 2.0 60 foot. No.
I got a 0.2018. I treed the shit out of him.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I was so surprised. Pop the hood on this thing. See how hot she is.
Oh my god. The rad's not working right.
It's getting hot.
Yeah, like
How much pressure you got in here?
it's got lots.
Yeah. Not much though, but that's good. What was your boost?
10 pounds.
10 pounds? That's good.
Yeah. Again, I didn't look at my
Air fuel? Oh, if it was 10 pounds, we'll give her
forgetting.
a couple clicks there.
Yeah.
Awesome. Burning oil.
How was the start? Did I spin? I felt like
Nope.
I spin. No, I kind of just do it.
It was a little weird skippy thing. It was a good burnout. Sounds freaking amazing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Sounds super good.
Awesome.
But 22 seconds.
Yeah.
You seen?
No, I didn't see. That's what the smart car ran.
22. Get the time slip here.
I got my new person.
It ran a 22.3, 60 mile an hour. Look at my reaction time.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I treated the shit out of it.
Awesome.
I left on the end of the first bulb. And I was even boost launching it a bit.
Yeah, just fucking
Oh yeah.
Fucking that out.
Yeah, no, that's sick. Alright, so changes to make.
Unless we can park our car on that side.
Consistent
14s,
Consistent 14s is pretty
but
good.
launch a little harder. Get better 60 foot.
What was your 60 foot?
2.2.
Oh, if we get that to the 2.0, that's...
Yeah, like.
Oh, dude.
But he ran a 2.0 60 foot and he ran a 13.954.
Well, a tenth down here is 2 up top, roughly.
Yeah,
So 2 tenths, that's 4 tenths. So we could be breaking, if you get a good 60 foot, you could
you break.
13s. You can get into 13s.
I'll need a helmet, which I didn't bring.
Who cares? The guy texts like, you got a helmet? And I'm like, yep. Yeah, it was funny.
He asked me if I had a
Safety loop?
safety loop. That's it. He didn't ask me if I had at all.
Perfect.
I don't know how. Like, there's really a boost gauge right there.
I know. Well, let's lower the pressure a bit in the tires and try and launch it harder. Because I don't want it to wheel hop.
No, it'll feel not bad with that pressure.
So-
You said it was a 25.
Yeah, it's at 25, so we'll drop it back down. Try it again. Leaving in first gear.
Yeah, I think we're gonna try it.
Sounds good.
A little more sauce to it this time.
A little more sauce. We got a 370 over there, it looks like. If Andrew can get out of the hole, we'll see. Make sure you look at your AFRs down there too.
Yeah, I'll watch it.
On the big end or something. Yeah? Whoop. Right there. Hey. All right, roll forward more then. Yes, sir. Yes, 14-1. Woohoo! Anyways, so this time I'm gonna try and boost launch it, and I'm gonna try and shift it, and we'll see. I'm gonna do a first to third, and hopefully it doesn't shift as fast and it pulls through in the higher gear. Hopefully that works out for me. I got stability track and traction control off. We'll see what we can get done here. Well, guys, I raced a 350. There he is, nice and blue. I raced another time too, same time pretty much. 22 with a 3, nothing special. We'll see what this one does here. Well, I beat it. Let's see what he's faster. Oh yeah. What do we got? 22 with a 2 with 61 mile an hour. Hell yeah. Thank you, brother. Awesome. What do we got on the tree? It's a bad tree, but I still treed the shit out of this guy. Put her in auto mode there. There we go. Awesome. 3.0 60 foot. Holy crap. That's terrible. But yeah, 22.2, and that's the fastest pass this sucker's made. He ran a 15.3 at 94. Nothing special. 2.5 60 foot. He was sleeping, man. Ugh. Anyways, I think it's going to take a lot of work to get this thing into the 19s, but that's something fun. Awesome. Well, we'll just follow this guy back, and hopefully we get to race a little bit of a slower car. Got to find someone in the 18s or something at least. Something a little closer to this thing. I'm the slowest person on the property right now. Well, at least we're having fun. Andrew ran his personal best. It was a 14.1 with a 2, 2.0 60 foot. Almost, I think it was like 98 miles an hour, almost 100 miles an hour. So he's getting there. We're gonna drop tire pressure, do a better burnout, and hopefully get the data logger to work this time. And I got a good feeling tonight he's gonna get into the 13s, which is gonna be pretty fun. So stick around. Light him up. Oh, so close. No. Woo! Let me see the slip. 14.0 at 99, 2.0 60 foot still. 99 miles an hour. Did you look at your air fuels?
Yes.
What was it?
10.7, 10.6.
Oh my Lantis. Guys, you know what that means, right?
We're running a 13 tonight.
We're running a 13 because we're turning the boost up. Yes, that's awesome. What was the boost? Did you look at the boost gauge?
It was like 12.
Really?
Yeah, it was just above 10.
Oh boy.
12, 11.
All right, all right, all right.
I wanted the other lane though.
You want that far lane?
Yeah.
Give her a try.
Oh, the left lane's spinning.
Garbage?
When I was shifting, I could feel the back of the truck doing.
I heard you chirping down track.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I was power shifting. That was like, well, first to second I let off. Second to third, I let off a little bit. Third to fourth was power shift.
Yeah.
So, almost 100 mile an hour.
Almost 100 mile an hour.
Yes.
There's a slip. You're spinning off the line 2.0 60 foot still, but
yeah,
she's rolling out.
it's doing good though.
Hell yeah.
I got my
Data log?
data log too if you want to watch this.
Yeah, let's check her out. Well, that was a killer burnout too.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, a killer burnout.
That'll be in the intro now.
All right, what do we got here? Very good launch.
No, this is
Down here.
Oh yeah, there it is. I was wondering how I could get around to that.
Yeah.
Start right here.
All right.
That's where I started rolling up.
Did you do the burn? Oh, this is the burnout?
This is burnout.
Burnout. Whap, whap, whap. Awesome. I'm getting about 80K in second gear. That's not bad. My burnouts are like 100 and... okay.
That's PSI. I want...
Yeah, no, I want PSI.
Yeah, almost 9.
Oh, wow.
10, 9. It kind of flashes here and there.
Where are you shifting at? Almost pretty much to 6?
Pretty much 55. Where I'm used
Yeah,
to.
I see the high needle point right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm used to, right? 55
So,
is...
does this still feel like it's pulling?
Yeah. I'm gonna try a little harder or higher next time.
Rev it higher if it feels like it's pulling.
I feel like it starts losing it past 57. It doesn't feel like it's still going, but we'll give her another try.
Keep going. Okay, come forward. Nah. 14.3. Nah, too much air out of them. That's better. $14.1. Well, Smart Car did 3 passes, 22 seconds. Andrew's just putting his tires back on now. 14.0 at 99 was our fastest. No 13s tonight, I guess. It's like 90% humidity and just track just super slippery. Wasn't holding the power, so roll racing Sunday, so that'll be the next video.